Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Mavis from Hotel Transylvania on Dress to Impress. You don't need VIP for this. For the makeup, I did use custom makeup, but you don't have to. For the hair, I just did this one in black and I toggled it to no bangs. Went to the masculine section and added this hair right here for that Mavis hair look. Mavis. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Select this skirt, color it black, and select these shorts and color it black. Then you're going to select this top and you're going to color it black in matte, just because I want that turtleneck. And then I'm going to add this t-shirt, no pattern, and then in black as well. For these stockings, these socks don't go all the way to the top, so let's go to the high strip socks. Color it red. I'm just going to go darker a little bit and color it black, and then I'm going to add in these stockings in thick. You can also change the designs if you'd like to. Also, make sure you turn on the feet toggle for both, because we're going to use these flat shoes in red. And black like this. Then for the top, I'm just going to add this in the thick toggle, and I'm also going to use these gloves here. You don't have to, but I'm just going to. You can style it to however you want, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.